Changing your bank account on Substack is a straightforward process that ensures your payments are directed to the correct account. Follow these steps to update your banking information. Step 1. Log into your Substack account. Access your Substack account by visiting the Substack website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the bank account you wish to change. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option. This is usually found in the account menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon in the top right corner. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Payment Settings. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the isshock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update bank account information. Within the payment settings, you should see an option to edit or update your bank account information. Enter the new bank account details as required, ensuring all information is accurate to avoid payment issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new bank account information, make sure to save the changes. Look for a save button or confirmation prompt to ensure your new banking details are updated in the system. By following these steps, you can successfully change your bank account on Substack. Regularly check your payment settings to ensure everything remains up to date.